Was good, YouTube? Just got back from Louis Vuitton. Got 2 new fragrances. Really, what this is about is I'm gonna go ahead and unbox Sunsong. I just blind bought it. I didn't see a lot of people talking about it, so I figured, let me try it. It can't be a fail. I think the only fragrance I don't like from Louis Vuitton is L'Immensité, so it's everybody's favorite, or a lot of people's favorite, but it's just not for me. But other than that, I don't think they can go wrong. So let's see what we are getting into. The other fragrance that I bought was Lovers, but I already have experience with that, so that's nothing new. But look at that, we got Sunsong on the first go. So let's see what this is hitting for. Classic Louis Vuitton presentation. Sucker open. I like to keep the boxes nice. All right, it's a Sunsong. I like the way the box looks. Some people say it's simple, but pretty nice. All right, so open this up, and honestly, like, guys, I think the bottle was what sold me on it, because when I seen that it was available for like a pre-order on Louis Vuitton's website, I'm like, the redesign of the bottle is crazy. The old one, yeah, I mean, left a little to be desired, but this one is pretty crazy. So let's see how it smells. Can't be an L, it can't be. There's no way. Nothing really coming out of the atomizer, but all right, well, it's a little underwhelming, but I don't dislike it. It's not like L'Immensité. I don't dislike it. This is like afternoon swim and laundry detergent. Like, you can smell orange, and I guess that's the orange blossom. But so far, what I'm getting from first impressions, this is like afternoon swim with laundry detergent. That's it. Like, I'm not getting anything else. And I can see what some folks mean when they say it's a little green. And again, I guess that's because of the orange blossom, the petitgrain and all that stuff. I mean, it's not bad. It's just not like crazy good either. This is like, it'll smell good. I mean, you'll just smell clean. It's not, if it doesn't project loud, I could see it, being, or somebody thinking like this is just your laundry detergent. They probably think you got some pretty expensive laundry detergent, but that's what I'm getting. So, I mean, a good, say being a good like daily wear, going to the grocery store or something, but this is not what you pay the $300+ for Louis Vuitton for. So, that part is crazy, but yeah, it'll smell clean. If you don't want to offend anybody, then this is not a bad buy, I guess. And I still like Sunsong more than L'Immensité. I'm probably still gonna get a bottle because I'm just on a crazy Louis Vuitton run right now, but hopefully I can grow and like that one. But this one is just okay. It's not, definitely don't have to run out and buy it. It's just okay. I mean, definitely unisex. I forgot to mention that. Like, I don't think male or female. I think it's unisex. Again, you just smell clean. You smell like afternoon swim mixed with your laundry detergent. But whatever. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I'm not gonna sell it or anything. I'm just gonna use it casually and have fun with it. So, but that's all. Thank you guys for whoever was watching. Louis Vuitton Sunsong Fly By Unboxing. Not all the way a fail. It's all right. But thank you guys.